Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a I want you to stay.
Good morning, good afternoon, Littlesilver. How are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to this video. For my subscribers, thank you so much. For my new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe. Welcome to this community, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you to my village morning routine, like how it goes down. This is something that I'm enjoying right now, but before it used to be so hectic. I didn't used to like it, like, oh my goodness. I think it's because we had no option. Right now, if I feel it's too tight, just run away from the city. I just ran away to the city. But when you are young, you don't have a lot of choices. I think in life you feel the same, like you feel restricted, and you feel tasks are so hard when you can not do so much about them. So yeah, but now I'm realizing I was just not here. Like, when you're not there, you never enjoy the stuff. Like, well, it's not something to be enjoyed. It's hectic, but you can live with it. I mean, it's manageable. People do it. I mean, even sometimes I wake up in the morning and I wonder, how does my mom do this? How has she done this for almost every single day of my life? And I cannot. It's so hard for me. I don't know. It's so hard for some of us. But yeah, so welcome to my morning routine. So where do we start? Let's start with getting the compound. So I grew up with roses, so let no man not give me roses telling me, oh, the roses are expensive. I grew up with roses. Roses fall on my doorstep. The queen wakes up to roses every single day, and it's actually these very fine yellow roses. Oh my god, so they fall every single time. All these plants have been here since I was born, and there's also a red, no, not red, the bougainvillea one, which, so all these roses. And I love flowers. It's only my mom who can tell you my love for flowers. So these are the roses the queen of Kilamba has been waking up to every single morning. So yeah, let's get started. But first, the chickens sleep here. So can I see them? Nope. Wait. Oh. So we tie. Don't ask why our chicken has like a rope like a cow. It's because they have small ones and they take them to eat flowers in the farm. You can see the flowers in the beans. This is beans, like beans plant. So the chicken with the little ones, the chicken with the small chicken, oh my god, are they called small chicken? They'll come to feed their children here. Like they will remove the flowers and eat it. And you see, it's supposed to bring like beans. Uh-oh, where are you going? Come. Oh! Say hi to subscribers. This one, but this one has eggs. Oh, don't bite me. So this one will stay here. Okay, darling, you take care of your little ones. I'm sorry. When they see this blue bag, they know I have food. So you see, they have come to assemble. They have come to the assembly ground.
Don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't.
This one is so cute actually. You see the is it called butter? What is the name? This duck, yeah. The duck is helping this chicken to help our kids eat, and it's like it's chasing away the big ones. Like, you adults, go away.
Don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down.
So this is done. It's all done. So I don't sweep the whole compound. Sometimes I wake up and I feel, oh, this part is still clean. Like, I swept that place yesterday and I'm not sweeping today. I just wake up and decide, like, assess the situation, and under the flower tree I have to sweep every single day because the flowers will keep falling. Now the old carpet is gone. Now there's space for new carpet. It's been my life, my childhood life, before I came to the city and before I came to give people character development and get character development from the people in the city, in Nairobi city and beyond.
Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again.
Then I have to get these ones. Hello? Hey. Vendara. Yeah. Hey. Can you relax? Now I can trust them. I leave them there and I can go get them the donkey. But let me let them step away, because if they go to the farm, they'll eat the maize. Ah. And this is their morning routine. Before take it out, and when you take it back, this is what it does. Very obedient. Hi, Toby. So you put the rope on the leg so that it's easy and they have less resistance. If you put on the neck, it will pull you away. It's a So sometimes you can bring them here and wait for them to eat first before you tie them. But I don't have time. This is not my calling. I don't like this. I'm just doing it because it's supposed to be done. So I'll just tie them up. You have like a big land to yourself. So you decide for yourself which part do I want to like plant crops like maize, beans, and if you have livestock, if you have like cows, you have like goats, you decide to like remain a bit of land so that they can graze, because yeah, you have to, unless you have somewhere else where you can rent. Sometimes you can rent for the cattle, like you can rent someone's forest so that you can graze there anytime, like this farm. But like that's our land, like where, no, that's not us. Where there is home, then there's this part which is left without farming. For that's an auntie right there, and then all the way down you can graze until there. So we don't farm here. We farm just somewhere around the houses.
To sleep, keep on, I shine. Will surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay.
So sometimes they are quite uncontrollable. So I tie them on one tree. Grazing made easy by me. So I tie them there, and then now they can just graze. They don't want a deco. What? Yes. There's this one also, so where we are going to tie the goats and my morning routine will be done. I'm tired, and after that I'm supposed to go to the farm. I'm not going today. I'm not going to lie to you, but that is a step after. I'm just going to take a little nap and carry through the day. But it's so satisfying to see them eat. So satisfying. It's so satisfying to see them eat. So these are some of their favorite plants, and they'll always like climb to get it. See my food.
They said, be meek. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. Will surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this.
So thank you so much for staying with me. My morning routine is done, and they're right there. And it's quite tiring, so I don't like it. And you know what? People say, oh, you have to appreciate where you come from. I love my home so much, but there are things in the society that you have to unlearn. Like, for example, these goats, they'll stress you for the whole I don't know how many years, and then, for example, you wish to sell them, you don't sell them for much. So I always look at the returns, and personally, I don't see the need to keep such. My mom would argue otherwise, but if I was just me at home, I'd just have a chilled morning. No goats, no cows, maybe a donkey because it helps you bring water, but anything else I wouldn't keep because the return on investment is not really worth it. It's actually not worth it. I think this is just a simple of, like the whole traditions attach having animals and having material things as a source of wealth, which I disagree with. You can be wealth at art. So yeah, thank you so much for being with me. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Ciao. Oh, my sister is very active actually. I love her so much. She has come through for me. I love her so much. She has come through for me every other time. Like when we go to the farm and we get like sections. Sometimes we used to get sections to cultivate, and she would come and help me mine. So now you see those family members who take advantage. Family members who take advantage. I'm one of them. So I want to undo my hair. She's going to do something on my hair. I don't know if it's braids, it's lines. I'm not sure. But
Reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it.